So in this video is about a quick guide on how to prevent the dots that always shows up in the back of your phone when you're using a case. So I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to prevent it. For example, something like this. If you are using a case with your phone, you might have encountered this issue where the back of your phone will be having a little bit of a dot, and this dot is permanent. You can't remove it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide why this happened and how to avoid it. Now, first of all, before you choose a case for your phone, you need to buy a case that breathes. What I mean by a case that breathes, a case that doesn't lap too much at the back of your phone. Something like this. When you charge your phone and start to game, even if you don't game, if you charge your phone, the heat used to trap at the back of your device, creating some wet bubbles. And also another way to prevent this is you have to be removing your case at least once in a week to clean your phone. Some people put their phone on a case and never bring it out for a year. That's why you get issues like this. You need to be removing your phone. You need to be removing your phone from a case to clean it once in a while. And what I mean by a case that breathes, it's a case like this that have a soft texture. But if your case looks like this, the cheap plastic like this, you're definitely going to have those problems. So on my phone, I already have a little bit of a spot. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it right here. Yeah, so these are the reaction that happens when your phone gets heats up. So to prevent this issue, you have to avoid cheap silicone case and go for case that can give your phone a breathing space. And if you are somebody that used to game, if you want to play games with your phone, make sure you remove your phone from a case to play games. Then when you're finished playing games, you can put it back to your case. So the things you need to do is to, first of all, avoid the cheap plastic silicone case and get a case that breathes, that give your phone a breathing space. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.